Have you ever wondered why your YouTube videos aren't getting views, even after all the hard work you've put in? I remember spending hours on my first videos, hoping for thousands of views, but only just to get a handful. It was frustrating. Here's what I've learned. Starting a YouTube channel is bloody hard, but guess what? It's not impossible. Yes, starting a YouTube channel is hard, but with the right mindset and simple strategies, you can overcome common challenges and succeed. So let's talk about your expectations versus reality, because many new YouTubers, including myself, think we can create a few videos, go viral, make loads of money. Well, that's complete and utter bullshit. The reality is you'll spend hours on your content, get minimal views at first, and most YouTubers give up because they don't realize this. I've been there, I've helped clients build YouTube channels, created content, even coached them. But when it's your own channel, it's a bit different. I remember making some videos, checking the views constantly, hoping for thousands, seeing only that handful again. It was so disheartening. You get a couple of likes, one of them's from your mum, thanks mum, and then it feels like all your hard work is just for nothing. You spend hours on content, you get in your head, and the lack of engagement can really mess with your motivation. I've had times where I've literally pressed pause because it was doing my head in. I was spending hours on content creation, getting minimal views, and then one day all of a sudden 3,500 views, but still nothing grows. Your subscribers don't increase, and it's so frustrating. That one video that goes crazy actually messes with your head even more than the smaller ones because it doesn't kickstart your growth. The key point here is it is hard. It's not easy. But by the end of this video, I'm going to share with you tips to get you moving forward by 100 miles so you don't feel left behind, you don't get burned out, and you don't wear out. So let's look at this solo effort that everyone is suffering. What people don't realize, and what I didn't realize either, is just how much time and how time consuming it is to handle everything on your own. I mean, I've helped people build their YouTube channels, through our agency, done editing, create thumbnails, coached them. But doing it all by yourself is a completely different beast. You're the scriptwriter, you're the cameraman, the lighting technician, the editor, the marketeer. I'm running out of fingers. Every single detail, from scripting to filming to editing, creating eye-catching thumbnails, is all on you. And let's not forget the constant comparison with others in our niches. It's easy to fall into that trap and think everyone else is doing better than us. I remember nights literally spent editing and my eyes were bleeding, only to second guess myself the following day. You beat yourself up over every small mistake and you become your worst inner critic. The weight of these tasks on your shoulders, it is overwhelming. You love creating content, but the sheer load can make you hate it too. I'm probably putting you off making your next video. You're like, Stephen, I am done. I'm out of here. You've sold it that it's a bag of... But one thing, I want to share this one thing with you that really helped me and has helped me very recently, and that is to hold it lightly. I interviewed a coach from Australia who said that we have so many strict schedules and expectations that they cause tension and burnout. Yes, you have to plan and structure your content, but don't be so hard on yourself. When you hold it lightly, you take better care of yourself. You actually want to create content even when it's hard. I've burned out before. I made 16 videos in a row and then stopped because I felt completely overwhelmed. Then I started again. Then I stopped again. It was a vicious cycle. I even did a live stream, edited that into a video, and it got as many views as my meticulously edited ones. I'm like, what is the point in putting all of that effort in? Alex Hormozi just said recently that he's moving towards longer form content with less edits in, because apparently we're all in a phase where viewers prefer the value and connection over the fancy edits. So come on, let me know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do you want the highly polished video? Do you want this to be raw and real? Or do you just want us to be kind to ourselves? I say plan, but don't overburden yourself. Make it simple and enjoyable, and you'll find the process much more, sustainable. Trust me, I'm actually here right now, trying to make it simpler yet effective. Making content with ease, if you will. But then it comes down to this thing that gets in our head about equipment and limitations. And it's just like, whoa, what's next? It's a big one for many YouTubers. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that you need the latest camera or the latest lens and a fancy kit and lights and all that stuff. But let me tell you, it's not true. You don't need to go into debt for expensive equipment. When I started, I thought I needed to get the latest DSLR and have the perfect lights, all the fancy gear to make standout videos. But actually, do you know what? The truth is you can create amazing content on this, your mobile phone. Natural light and a quiet room. Because your mobile phone can record in 4K, it's plenty good enough for YouTube. I remember in my early days trying to balance my phone on a stack of books and using the window as a light source. It wasn't glamorous, but it did work. The content you create, the stories you tell and the value you provide are what truly matter. Your audiences care about what you have to say rather than the latest camera. I mean, come on, they can't bloody see it anyway. They don't care. Start out with what you've got. It's practical and it's a smart move. It prevents burnout. It keeps you from spending money you don't have. As your channel grows and your skills improve and you start earning from your videos, then you can think about upgrading your kit. But until then, focus on your message and the connection with your audience. Because if you don't connect with them, you've then got that social proof dilemma. And this again is another tough subject for many new YouTubers. Social proof is about showing the world what people already like about your content. It encourages more people to watch. But when you're starting out and your video's only got a few views and the odd subscriber and you feel like you're shouting into a void, well, I remember this feeling so intensely. You put all your effort in, make great video, and then you just see another handful of views. It's so disheartening, isn't it? You start to doubt yourself. You think, why would anyone watch my content if nobody else is? And this mindset can be really tough to overcome. But here's the key. Focus on the people who do engage with you. Even if it's just a few comments, those are gold. For example, I've had videos where 5 or 10 people have commented, but those comments were full of love and encouragement. Some people would say things like, this video really helped me, and you must have spent hours on your editing, great job. Well, I did spend hours on the editing. But these comments do mean everything. And here is a powerful, powerful tip for you. Take screenshots of those positive comments and feature them in your next video. You can even use them as thumbnails. There's a thought. This does two things. It shows your potential viewers that the people who are engaging with your content love it and you appreciate them. I actually launched the Big Video Academy because of some of these positive comments. Jeremy here joined the Big Video Academy and used his video and the training to manage his bipolar disorder and build his business. He said I'm his favorite entrepreneur. He even said that he's learned more through me than he has through his marketing degree. I mean, how cool and crazy is that? People saw the effort that I was putting in and wanted to learn more from me. This gave me the confidence to create a safe space where others can practice and improve their video skills. The Big Video Academy was born. So the social proof dilemma isn't about having millions of views or thousands of subscribers straight away. It's about valuing and showcasing the support you do have. Highlight those positive interactions. Show your audience that you care about them. Gary Vee talks about this in his book, Crush It. He dedicated the whole chapter 9 I believe it is. He emphasizes the importance of caring for your audience. This is crucial, my friends. Focus on those who are already engaging with you. Respond to their comments. Thank them. Use their words as your social proof. By doing this, you're not only building a stronger connection with your existing audience, but you are also creating a welcoming environment for the new viewers to come. They'll see your channel as a place where their voice matters. Remember, it's not all about numbers. It's about the quality of the engagement. So screenshot those positive comments, feature them in your videos and keep showing up for your audience because those people are the ones that will help you grow. Now, before we get into the final step, I want to share something with you. Right now, I'm in one of the lowest points in my creator journey, you could say. I've been tired, frustrated, and at times I've fallen out of love with this journey. I want you to see this because it's important to know that you're not alone. We all go through these tough times. There have been days when I've questioned everything. Days where I've looked at my views and felt disheartened. Where I've put in so much effort and feel like I'm just getting nowhere. The emotional roller coaster of checking your views and your likes and seeing just a couple. One of them being my mum. Actually, do you know what? My mum's not even on YouTube, so it must be somebody else's mum. It's during those moments that I've had to dig deep and remind myself why I started this journey in the first place. My why is my family. What's your why? Because here's the thing, I'm still here, you're still here. We're moving forward because we believe in the power of this journey. I believe in the potential that we have to create something meaningful, to connect with others and to share our stories. I want to show you that it's okay to feel low. It's okay to struggle and have doubts. What matters is how we rise from those moments. This is the reality of the creator economy. It's not always glamorous. It's often challenging and requires resilience. That's why we're doing it. Everyone else, they've taken the easy way out. They've opted for a job. I like to call that just over broke. But every low point, I believe, is an opportunity for growth. I'm sharing this vulnerability with you because I want you to know that I am with you. I'm on this bus with you, going through the same ups and downs. If you're feeling stuck or disheartened, know it's part of the journey and we can overcome it together. In the future, it will be a story that you can tell. But if you want to tell that, we need to get over the fear of the camera. And let's talk about camera confidence. This is a massive hurdle for many YouTubers, and it's something I've struggled with too. Being comfortable in front of the camera isn't easy, but it's absolutely possible to overcome this fear. Because when I started, I felt awkward talking to a camera. There's nobody on the other side. I didn't know what to do with my hands. My voice sounded a bit strange, and I often blanked out mid-sentence. I understand. It made me question whether I was cut out for video too. But then I discovered a simple yet powerful method to build my confidence using, yes, you got it, my mobile phone. I used it as a daily diary. Here's how it works. Every day, set aside 2 minutes to record yourself on your mobile phone. Make it a new habit. Attach it to something you already do, like having your morning coffee, although it should be tea with Steve. Maybe go for a run or driving to work. Obviously, do it after the drive, but just set an alarm, press record, and talk about anything. It could be your thoughts of the day, a funny story, or even a rant about that person who pulled out on you on the drive. Doesn't matter. What matters is getting comfortable with pressing record and just speaking to camera. I did this for 30 days. And you know what? The results and transformation were incredible. I started to feel more natural on camera, my voice became more confident, and I stopped worrying about how I looked and sounded. The transformation was so powerful that I've actually included this technique in my Courage Before Confidence course, which you can check out in the link below. One of my clients, Alison, followed the exact process. She's a disabled mum who didn't want to show herself on camera through the fear of being judged. She's now racked up over 1.7 million views on TikTok from giving simple advice from her wheelchair. Remember, the more you practice in private, the more confident you'll be in public. You don't have to be perfect, you just gotta start. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, you know there's hope. You can do this. Building camera confidence is a journey. Every single step you take gets you closer to where you want to be. And if you want me to be your guide, let's do it together. Come and join the Big Video Academy. You'll find a supportive community, tons of resources, training, and why not come and test drive it for free? Actually, do you know what? If you click the link downstairs in the description, I will gift you my Courage Before Confidence video course too, and you can smash it like Alison. Let's build your confidence together, one step at a time. And on that note, I've decided to up my game for you. Brush off the cobwebs and finish this video in style. I've made the decision to keep moving forward, to never miss a week, and to continue creating content that resonates with you. So you need to let me know what resonates in the comments. Let's go through this transformation together. You see, if I can do this, so can you. Let's move forward together. Take this moment as a turning point. Use the tips and the strategies that I've shared in this video. Embrace your journey with all its highs and its lows, but let's keep moving forward. You've got this. We've got this. Let's create something amazing together. Remember, every step that you take, no matter how small, is still progress. So let's keep moving forward and make our dreams a reality. Now, you've got one of two options to continue your journey. Get confident on camera in just 2 minutes a day. Just watch this video here and I'll guide you through the simple daily practices that have helped me to boost my camera confidence. Or you can join the Big Video Academy and let me be your guide. Together we'll take your video creation and skills to another level, and you'll find the link in the description below. The choice is yours. I'm here to support you on every step of the way.